Hello, welcome to this video on differential calculus. We'll be looking at rules of differentiation. This is our second video on rules of differentiation. Check the description section of this video on our YouTube channel to get the link to the playlist containing all the videos on differential calculus. We have our problem here. Find the y dx of the following functions. We have the functions in A and B. We start the solution from A. Following the general rule of differentiation, if y is equal to x raised to power n, the y dx will be nx raised to power n minus 1. That is the power multiplied by, then reduce the power by 1. So following that rule, we are going to have the y dx. Here 3 times 3 gives 9. Then we have our x. Reduce the power by 1, we have squared, giving us 9x squared after differentiating 3x3. Then minus, we have this power 2 times 5, giving us 10. We have our x. Reduce the power by 1. That's 2 minus 1, giving us 1. So we don't need to write x raised to power 1 here. We leave it like that. Then this is plus 4. Since this power is 1, 1 minus 1 gives 0. X raised to power 0 gives 1. So we don't need to write times 1 here. And the derivative of a constant is 0. So we have the differential function of y equal to 3x3 minus 5x squared plus 4x minus 10 to be the y dx equal to 9x squared minus 10x plus 4. And that's all for A. We then go for B. For B, we have y equal to 3x6 minus 5x5 plus 2x4 minus 7x3 plus 9x all over x3. And we are going to split them into their individual fraction so that we now have 3x6 divided by x3, then minus 5x5 divided by x3, then plus 2x4 divided by x3, then minus 7x3 divided by x3, then plus 9x divided by x3. So from here, we are going to have 3x3 because this x3 will divide the x's to give us x3. So we have 3x3, then minus, in this case also, x5 divided by x3 will give us x squared. So we have 5x squared, then plus 2x. x4 divided by x3 gives x. So we have the x here. Then this x3 goes with x3. We are left with minus 7. And here, this is going to give us 9 over x squared. And written in index form, we have it as plus 9x raised to power minus 2. We can then go ahead to differentiate this so that the y dx will be 9x squared. Okay, we have reduced this power by 1 after multiplying 3 by 3 to give 9. Then this is minus 10x. Since 5 times 2 gives 10, we reduce the power by 1 to give us x. Then plus 2. Reduce this power by 1, it gives x raised to power 0, which is 1. Then the derivative of a constant is 0. Then this is going to give us minus 18x raised to power minus 3. How did we get the minus 18 then x raised to power minus 3? So negative 2 times 9 gives negative 18. Then increase the power by 1, that is minus 2 minus 1 gives minus 3. And that's the y dx for the function in B part of this problem. And that is the end of solution to the problem. And this is where we are ending this tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share this video. Also remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until we come your way again, goodbye.